Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to answer the Maths Method Sample Exam 2 Extended Response Question 5 Parts E and F. These questions are testing your understanding on differentiation and also finding the equation of tangent lines. And so reading the question, we've got at the point u g of u, the gradient of y equals g of x is m, and at the point v g of v, the gradient is minus m, where m is a positive real number. Part 1. Find the value of u cubed plus v cubed. At the point when x is equal to u, the gradient of g of x is equal to m. And so if we derive g of x, we're going to get g dash of x is equal to 4x cubed minus 8. And so when x is equal to u, g dash of u, which is the gradient, is going to equal to m. And when x is equal to v, the gradient, g dash of v, is going to equal minus m. If we divide by -1, we can say that minus g dash of v is equal to m. And so from here we can equate the two m's. And so this means g dash of u is equal to minus g dash of v. G dash of u is going to be 4u cubed minus 8, and this is going to equal minus, and then g dash of v, which is going to be 4v cubed minus 8. We now have an equation in terms of u cubed and v cubed, and so rearranging this is going to be 4u cubed minus 8 is equal to minus 4v cubed plus 8. And so 4u cubed plus 4v cubed is going to equal 8 plus 8, which is 16. And now if we divide both sides by 4, we're going to get u cubed plus v cubed is equal to 4. Part 2. Find u and v if u plus v is equal to 1. We just worked out that u cubed plus v cubed is equal to 4. And if u plus v is equal to 1, then we have two equations with two unknowns, and so using the calculator, we can solve for the values of u and v. And now solving for v and u. We get two sets of solutions, but we need to be careful here and test which set of solutions is going to be the correct one. We're told that g dash of u is equal to some value m, where m is a positive real number. And so what we need to do is test for which value of u we're going to get g dash of u to be a positive number. And so evaluating g dash of u where u is equal to this number, we can see whether this is going to be a positive or negative number. And so deriving g of x again, we want to evaluate it when x is equal to this value. And so when the value of u is equal to minus root 5 minus 1 on 2, we're going to get a negative gradient. But we want a positive gradient, and so this value of u is not correct. And so the correct value of u and v is going to be the second set of solutions. And so therefore, u is going to equal root 5 plus 1 on 2, and v is going to equal minus root 5 minus 1 on 2. Part F. Find the equation of the tangent to the graph of y equals g of x at the point P, g of p. To find the equation of the tangent line when x is equal to p, we can use the tangent line command in the calculator. And so we want the tangent line for this equation for x and when x is equal to p. And so the equation of the tangent line is going to be y is equal to 4 times p cubed minus 2 times x, and then minus 3p to the power of 4. Part 2. Find the equations of the tangents to the graph of y equals g of x that pass through the point with coordinates 3 on 2 minus 12. We just worked out the equation of the tangent line to the graph of g of x at some point P. If the tangent line passes through the point 3 on 2 minus 12, then this means that on this tangent line, when x is equal to 3 on 2, then y is going to equal minus 12. And so subbing this into the rule of the tangent equation we just worked out, we can solve for the value of p. And so we're going to get minus 12 is equal to 4 times p cubed minus 2 times 3 on 2 minus 3p to the power of 4. Setting this up in the calculator, we can solve for the values of p. And now solving for p, p is equal to 0 or p is equal to 2. And so when p is equal to 0 or when p is equal to 2, the tangent line is going to pass through the point 3 on 2 minus 12. From here, what we need to do is sub in p is equal to 0 and p is equal to 2 into the equation of the tangent line. And so when p is equal to 0, the first tangent line is going to have the equation y is equal to 4 times 0 cubed, which is 0 minus 2. This will be minus 2 times x and then minus 0. And so this is going to be minus 8x. And for the second equation, we let p is equal to 2. And so this is going to be y is equal to 4 times 8 minus 2, which is 6, and then x, and then minus 3 times 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is 16, and so this is going to be 24x minus 48. And that's it for this video. Now, if you guys want to learn or revise exam style questions related to finding the tangent lines or differentiation, you can easily do this by logging into the Maths Methods Club, where you can group past exam questions related to these topics. All you need to do is click on differentiation from the main topics and select tangent and normals or gradients from the subtopics. For extended response questions, go to question type and select extended response. Here, you're going to see all the past exam questions related to these topics. Go through these questions so you're better prepared for your SACS and exams when it comes to answering tangent and normals and gradient questions. And if you get stuck, you can just watch the video solutions. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.